The commemoration of Holy Week for us Catholics is very much part of summer. Do you know which of the Catholic churches are the favorite Visita Iglesia site for our Catholics? Mai Mapili will tell us more in Doors to Explore.
Hello friends, Mai Mapili here, your favorite travel mate. As I was trying to find travel news and information for today, I stumbled upon another travel news talking about the wonderful Philippines, our Philippines. Being religious traits that Filipinos can be proud of. No one can deny how faithful Filipinos are when it comes to religious activities. Every summer season, Catholics celebrate what they call the Lenten season. Different traditions and customs are observed during the season that demonstrates their belief, like prayer, fasting, repentance of sins, and of course, almost every family would always do something called Visita Iglesia. The Visita Iglesia is a tradition that is done by visiting 7 churches either on Good Friday or Maundy Thursday and reciting the Stations of the Cross in them. Do you know some of the top churches being visited during Visita Iglesia? Number 1, Manila Cathedral. This cathedral is one of the cathedrals that is easy to go to. It has been destroyed and rebuilt 8 times, which makes its history interesting. Typhoons, earthquakes, and fire are some of the reasons why it is destroyed, but Filipinos always rebuilt it, which just proves how strong their faith is. Number 2, Quiapo Church. Constructed in one of the most crowded districts in Manila. The Quiapo Church has many visitors not only during the Lenten season, but also all year round. The church is famous because it is surrounded by vendors that sell cheap items and fortune tellers. Another reason why it is famous is because of the Black Nazarene that people also visit during its feast day because they believe that it has miraculous effects. Number 3, San Agustin Church. Originally called the Church of St. Paul, San Agustin Church is the oldest standing church in the Philippines. It is located inside the walled city of Intramuros and also one of the 4 churches in the Philippines that was constructed during the Spanish colonial era. The church was declared by the UNESCO as a World Heritage Site under the classification Baroque Churches of the Philippines. Number 4, Baraswain Church. The church is known for its rich history, earning its title as Cradle of Democracy in the East and the site of the First Philippine Republic. It became historical because of the founding of the First Malolos Congress in September 15, 1898, led by President Emilio Aguinaldo. Number 5, the National Shrine of the Divine Mercy, one of the top destinations during Holy Week. The shrine features a model of the Calvary with life-size statues of the Stations of the Cross. The church also has a grotto for Our Lady of Lourdes where people commonly pray for good health and healing. The shrine also features a little Poland museum that features a replica where Pope John Paul II lived. That's it for today. Join me again next week for another travel info. See you soon. Bye!